One of the highlights we were looking forward to up here at King Ash Bay was Territory Day, otherwise known as Cracker Night. Just one day a year you're allowed to buy fireworks and set them off that night. A term we hear quite a lot, only in the Territory. Off to Groper's Bar and Grill for the festivities for the night. One of the locals I was really hoping to catch up with was Mad Mullet. Now this bloke is a true character. One of the local professional crabbers.
Yeah, so to travel Australia from Mad Mullet, we're down here for a good time here tonight. 1st of July is the firework night. It's a bit of a theme, it's a Christmas theme down here. Everyone's dressed up. I never got dressed up, but I'm still looking for Santa. Oh yeah. Hey, but everyone out there, I'm still looking for Santa because he owes me that push bike from last year. When I find him, I'll grab him with the scruff of his beard and I'll be pulling him down, don't worry.
Fireworks show would have gone on for a good 20 minutes. Well, this morning we're going down, hopefully, get a couple more Barra and maybe even a couple of Mudcrabs. We're all set, ready to go. And take the other GoPros with us, put them on our heads, see if we can get some really good footage. Conditions were perfect this morning, but we saw something bobbing in the water. We couldn't figure out what it was.
Kangaroo.
It was too.
He swam across the river.
Geez, he's a game roo, that one.
Oh my
Hey?
gosh.
If he knew the size of the crocs in here, he wouldn't have been doing that.
Oh my goodness.
Only a couple of kilometres down the river, we came across this fella.
Oh dear.
I got you and you got me. Oh, yep, on. Oh, it's a jack, I think. A very feisty bloody jack. Oh no, it's a cod. Oh, bugger. Oh, I love the way they hit when they hit like that on a lure. Oh, just bloody. First barra for the day, Chris got.
Yep.
He's a little bit small.
A bit small. I'll throw him back. Oi, 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 oi.
He's not happy.
No.
Let's try and get that hook out of him.
Yeah. Oh, he's got it in his belly too. Alright,
Okay.
there we go.
Alright, now we'll just put him on the... Now, pretty good measuring. I did 2 lines on the esky. I scribed them in with the oyster knife.
Yeah.
So that's 55, so he's probably a 51.
Yeah.
So, and away he goes.
Be free. Alright.
Look at the hungry gutted little cod that I just got. Now that lure is near on as big as it.
Yeah. Oh, I hope. Oh my goodness, yes he is.
Rightio, best get that neck sorted out, eh?
Yeah, well, I'm just going to have to get him with my lure in it. Oh, come on, you bugger. Come on.
He's a good fish.
Oh, he doesn't want to go in that net. Oh.
Got him?
Yeah, you're gonna have to take it. I can't lift it. Oh my goodness. Good job, love.
He'd be another 60.
Oh no, he's
60.
Oh look, he's 70.
65 anyway, yeah.
No, there's a mark there, love.
Oh yeah. No,
There's
he's-
another.
Yeah, and his nose
that's
is
70
not even...
something.
Yeah, he'd be getting very close to 70. That's a good fish.
All right, now we got to untangle our mess because my lure's still in the net.
Alright.
Lip grippers. Here. Oh dear. Good job. You swallowed yours.
Yeah, it was pliers.
Um,
Well,
Yeah.
that's 2 nice slabs of Barra, isn't it? Hey?
that's cool. How big was mine? 60. About 60.
Yeah, yours,
yours is at least 70.
Oh, I don't think mine's
5.
70. All right.
Oh no, I'm sure it is. Oh,
And the knife, please.
and the knife. Where did I put the knife? Yeah. Hopefully we'll get that crab this time. I pulled the pot before and he was hanging on the bottom and he let go, so I didn't get him.
I've been down and got a bit of wood today. That's just a bit of rubbish stuff to get it started. I'm going to do a roast pork on the rotisserie. All this timber here, it is as hard as anything. So I'll put that on in about an hour or so. You get a good bit of coals going there first. Well, Sunday afternoon at King Ash. Get some good wood in there. Get some nice coals happening. Very shortly we'll put pork roast on. Not a bad outlook, is it? We're about 2 hours in. It's starting to look pretty good. I'm starting to smell unreal. The veggies are in the barbie. Not a bad way to spend a Sunday afternoon. Watching the rotisserie. The pork's going round and round. A couple of cold beers. That's pretty nice. Veggies are going in the barbecue. That and a bit of gravy and some applesauce, because you cannot have a roast pork without applesauce. That's our roast. A little bit darker on the outside, but just give it a tap. Yeah, that's pretty hard. And the veggies.
Lovely bubbly.
That's it. Sunday night roast. Yeah, gotta say that is cooked to perfection. It's moist, still got that real smoky taste about it, and even the crackling's perfect. A few afternoon running repairs. Our crab pots have been flogged a bit by the sharks and the crocs. They've got nothing, no real stopper to let them just walking in and walking straight back out.
Yes.
Usually the crocs do a fair bit of damage, but sometimes it can be the sharks as well. And Chris is going to sort them all out. He's not a real big croc, but yeah, he's just sitting out there.
Not real big, but they're just sitting there checking things out, aren't they?
Yeah, just having a bit of a look.
Give me a bite in the toe, though. Wouldn't he?
Yeah. He's not real big, he'd only be 6 or 8 foot, wouldn't he?
Oh, he's probably bigger than that.
About 8 foot, I reckon. He's not. He wouldn't be 9 feet or anything. Somewhere.
While we were watching the crocodile just out from our camp in the river, we had a goanna walk through our camp. The next morning we were down near the mouth chasing some more barramundi. I don't think we're going to have time to film him. I don't know if he'd be legal, but...
Oh yes, he's down too. Yeah.
Alright. Oh, there we go. We'll measure him up anyway.
Yeah, we'll measure him up.
with that. Hang on.
He's only got one hook in him.
Oh, that's good. Easy to get out. Oh, come on. Well, we're going to eat ya.
If it's legal. Oh yeah, same size as mine.
Yep. About
56?
56, yeah.
Cool. Ooh. Good on you.
Back here. I think he's a little bit better.
Oh, I think so. Where's the net?
Well, he's not quite ready yet. He's still a bit green.
Oh. Oh, jeez. I thought we were going to fumble that one. Good job.
Yeah, about the same. About that 56 again. Oh, mate Ralph's getting a good feed today, isn't he?
Yep.
These are all going to Ralph, our next door neighbour.
Oh, jeez.
That's why we're keeping him, because he hasn't been able to get a feed yet. Because normally we wouldn't keep them when they're just legal. We've got a few big ones, and that's what we're keeping. But these are for Ralph. Let's throw these lip grippers. These are rubbish ones.
Yeah, we've got another pair somewhere.
Yeah, we've got two pairs. One pair's good and one pair's rubbish. There we go. I'll just check him again.
Yeah, check him again.
Oh, easy.
Oh yeah, he's
Yeah, 56.
57.
They're all around that size, aren't they?
They are. Good work, darling.
He's only a little
Oh, he's only a little fella. I'll just undo him and let him go.
Still, they're good fun, man. Good fun to catch. Yeah, settle down, I'll let you go. There you go. This
Good
is
on
good.
ya.
This is that little soft plastic little paddle tail thing. It's a Berkeley one. And it has just been smashed. It's all bent and everything. The hooks are bent, the stainless part's bent, but I'm still catching fish. I'm definitely going to buy a couple more of these.
You reckon that's a cod?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, he's in amongst all the snags.
It's big, whatever it is. I can't even slow it down with the drag full on.
Oh dear.
I don't know what it is, but it's big. I don't think we'll be getting this one. Yeah, I really don't think. He's in amongst all the...
Oh, goodness.
Oh, there.
no.
Oh, there goes me pink lure.
Oh no.
Yep. Oh, little pinky's gone.
Oh no.
Hey, that has caught so many fish and now it's gone.
Oh, it has. Oh.
Wouldn't that rip you?
Oh, bugger. That had to be a big cod.
Oh, it was big, whatever it was. I couldn't even slow it down. Oh, well.
Bugger.
Oh, I wasn't going to go that far, but yeah.